Hey there, Saul. My name is Jose, and today I'm going to give you the three tips to bring in more clients organically through your website. That way, you don't have to pay for Yelp or any of those services that actually share your leads with like five, six other companies anyway. So these are tips that you can implement yourself. So let's not waste any more of your time or mine, and let's get to it. First tip I have for you is content. One of the main things that Google and search engines look for is content, and by content I mean your words and your images. Okay, so let's say this picture here. If I go to save as, you want to save it under a keyword. Okay, so save it as kitchen remodel Dallas TX, uh, bathroom remodel Dallas TX. Whatever services you offer and people are typing into Google, that's what you want to save it as. So that way, when somebody types something into Google, Google will connect you to them and starts ranking you for that. Okay, so and you want to get about 1,000 to 1,500 words, depending on how much your competition has, on your front page and fill it with these keywords. Okay, that way you can maximize the amount of words that you have and maximizing uh, your amount of reach. So I did pull up a couple of your competitors, and I threw you guys into this tool that I have. Okay, this is called Ahrefs, and it shows me the back end of your website. As you can see, DFW improved has 254 words that they're being found for, and so let's take a look at them. Well, let's look at these guys. These guys have 492 words that they're being found for, and you have 0 words that you're being found for on Google. So let's take a look at these guys here. For example, home remodeling Dallas TX is being searched 200 times, and these people are in the second position for it. DFW improved 300 searches a month, second position. Still the first page, it's just the second position in that first page. Dallas TX remodeling 150. Home improved Dallas 80, 100, 90, 40, 60, 200. So as you can see, there's hundreds and hundreds of searches that you're missing out on by not having these words on your website, and not only that, but not having optimized for them. Because a lot of people actually have these words, they just don't know how to optimize for them. So I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and really emphasize how important content is filled with keywords. So brings me to our second point, uh, your power. So the UR is the front page power for DFW improved, and the DR is their overall website strength. Now, yours is kind of skewed because you built it with Google, so Google automatically gives you this. But you have no backlinks, you have no keywords, so that's why I recommend you build your website with somebody else. Or I mean, you can try it, but and you can still try to implement these tools, and hopefully it helps you. But backlinks, what a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to your website when somebody clicks on it, and that's how you get power. Okay, so you want to have backlinks on powerful websites because some of that power actually transfers onto yours. Okay, so that's very important. That's another factor in ranking on Google. So the third tip I have for you is here on the map pack, and you want to get citations for the map pack. What a citation is anytime you can list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory such as yellowpages.com, for example, that is a citation. And you want to find out how many your competitors have. There's a lot of online tools that will allow you to do this, but you want to get about 20 or 30 citations above what your competitor has and the top competitor, and so that will put you ahead of all these guys. And so those are the three tips I wanted to give you. Number one being content, and very essential. Uh, you want to get those words and those pictures optimized with keywords, and that way people can start finding you. And number two, get some backlinks so you can start getting power, like these people right here. And number three, citations. That way you can start outranking everybody here on this map pack. because you want to rank here on the map pack and you want to rank here organically, right? So bring in as many leads as possible. Now, these are things you can implement yourselves, but if you have any questions, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jose with SEO Monster Design, and my number is 806-268-7118. I hope it helps.